Hello, my friends. 2 very important holidays are coming up, and I wanted to share 2 stamp sets with you. The important holidays are Mother's Day and Father's Day, and those are very, very important holidays because they are for important people in our lives. And I really appreciate everything my mother and my father have done for me. And so I created 2 different stamp sets for these people. So here's our happy, it's all called All for Moms, and then our All for Dad stamp set. And they're kind of similar but very different. So we have a nice fun font here, and then we have a sweet font over here. And the nice thing about these is they're very similar, like, so we have Dad and Mom, but you could use this happy for something else. So for example, you could say happy birthday somewhere else. So you get a birthday stamp from somewhere else. So happy Father's Day, or you could say happy day, or happy Dad Day, because the S is over here. So you could say happy Father's Day. Mix and match the stars, 2-step stamping. This is our flower to doodle stamp. So you can go get the big flower stamp if you want. And these are just great stamp sets to use for the special people in our lives. Now, if you have someone in your life that is like a mother to you, but not quite a mother, we also have things like this. You're like a mother to me. So that's kind of a sweet sentiment. You're an awesome dad. You're an all-star dad. Lots of fun stuff. So take a look at this now, because I want to share some of the great samples that our design team have created. Weren't those great cards and projects? Now, make sure you upload your creations to our gallery so we can focus on yours next time. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.
I got every little thing, every single little thing with you. I got every little thing, but that don't mean a thing. I got every little thing, it's just a whole lot of nothing new. I got everything in this world, but I want you.